Hi, in this session we'll be discussing menus. Menus are your persistent navigation throughout the site. To access your menus, we want to click Content and then select Menus from the list. The number of menus and their locations on your website may differ, however you will always have at least one. In this case, we have a footer menu and a main menu. On the website itself, you can see the main menu up at the top here and the footer menu down at the bottom. To edit these menus, click the Edit button. I'm going to pick the main menu for this example. And now we want to look for our locations and contents. Within the contents, we can see we have one page located to this menu called Products. If I wanted to add another page, I would simply click Select Type, Page, and then I have the option of either searching in this box or just selecting an item from the list. I'm going to select our Contact Us page and then press Add to Bottom, which will put it to the bottom of the list. If I want to change the order of my pages on the menu, I simply drag and drop. And now if I click the refresh button up at the top here, we should see my changes. And as you can see, we've now added the Contact Us page to the main menu.